Update on the house. They're starting insulation, obviously, but a lot of the ductwork, electrical's done. Hello.
Hello.
B&B room. All that's put in up above. Working on this wall. They're putting on the flat roof over the primary bedroom and the garage. So they've got part of that down. The type of material that it isn't glued, I mean there's an adhesive, but the seam, they run a hot iron over it and that melts it together, so there's no seams to come apart. So that's really nice. Our general contractor said he's never had one of these roofs leak yet, so hopefully we're not the first one.
This is cool.
What?
You know, with the general, yeah, I mean, walls.
No more see-through or walk-through walls. We're in the kitchen. So there's a metal shelving unit goes there. Oh, they got that up there done. Wow, wonder how they did that. Probably scaffolding and ladders.
Yep.
Got all the batting on the roof done. Wow. Be ready for the drywallers before we know it. They're gonna do the foam. Foam goes up there. We have walls now. This is one of the guest bedrooms. And the other guest bedroom's right next to it. Plenty of windows. Upstairs full bath. Here, little step up to get into the tub. And this is our office area. So, starting to look more like a house.